Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na ipinakikilos ng sambayanan, makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. That God's holy word, I will make it a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. I will hide each word in my heart that I may not sin against God. You may be seated.